welcome to the introduction to Python tutorial. In this video we are going to explore one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and we will see why so many people love it and use it every day. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that was first released in 1991. Since then it has grown in popularity and is now used in many areas for web development to data science, machine learning and beyond. One of the reasons for Python's popularity is its simplicity and ease of use. Python code is easy to read and understand even for beginners, and it can be written quickly and efficiently. This makes Python a great choice for those who are just starting to learn programming. Another reason for Python's popularity is its flexibility and versatility. Python can be used for many different tasks, from simple scripting to complex data analysis and machine learning. It also has a vast library for modules and packages that can be used to extend its functionality and make programming even easier. But perhaps the most important reason for Python popularity is its community. Python has a large and active community for developers who contribute to language, create libraries and tools, and provide support and guidance to others. This makes learning and using Python even easier and more enjoyable. So, if you are new to programming or want to explore a new language, Python is a great place to start. In the following videos, we will explore Python in more detail, starting with the basics through the language and moving on to more advanced topics. By the end of the series, you will have a solid foundation in Python and be ready to take on your projects. So let's get started with Python. So, brief history of Python and its background and why it is so popular. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language that was first released in 1991 by its creator, Guido van Rossum. The name Python was inspired by the British comedy group Monty Python. Python was originally designed as a successor of the ABC programming language, with the goal of creating a language that was easy to learn and use, while still being powerful and versatile. Its syntax is designed to be easy to read and understand, with a focus on simplicity and clarity. Over the years, Python has grown its popularity and is now one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. This is due to a number of factors, including easy to learn, versatility, libraries, large community, compatibility, open source, and etc. Python's popularity has continued to grow in recent years, with many large companies and organizations using it for a wide range of tasks. Its ease of use, versatility, and large community make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers alike. Python is a popular programming language that is used in many real-world applications across a wide range of industries. Here are some examples of how Python is used in the real world. For web development, Python is often used for web development with popular frameworks such as Flux and Django. These frameworks allow developers to build web applications quickly and easily. Next is data science and analytics. Python has many libraries and tools that make it a popular choice for data science and analytics tasks, such as Pandas, NumPy, and Sklearn. These libraries allow developers to perform complex data analysis and modeling tasks. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is used extensively in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch make it easy to build and train machine learning models. Scientific computing. Python is also used in scientific computing and simulation tasks with libraries such as SciPy, SymPy, and Matplotlib. This libraries allows developers to perform complex mathematical calculation and visualizations. Desktop applications. Python is used to build desktop applications using libraries such as PyQt, PyGTK, WX Python. Okay. This libraries allows developers to create cross-platform applications that run on Windows, Mac and Linux. For game development, Python is used with popular game engines such as Pygame, Panda 3D, etc. Automation. Python is often used for automation tasks such as script automation, data processing automation, and web scripting automation. These are just a few examples of how Python is used in the real-world problem. Python's versatility and ease of use make it a popular choice for developers across many different industries and domains. So, our roadmap for learning Python is the introduction to Python, which we already covered, and setting up the environment. Download and installing Python, IDEs and text editors, virtual environments. Number 3, basic concepts like data types, variable and constants, operators, control structures, functions. 4, intermediate concepts. List, tuples, dictionaries, class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, exception handling, file, input, output. Some advanced concepts, multi-threading and concurrency, networking, GUI, programming with libraries such as Tcnr and PyQt, web development with libraries such as Flux and Django, database programming with libraries such as SQLite and MySQL, best practice tips, debugging techniques, code optimization, design patterns, code documentation and comments, collaborative coding and version control with Git and GitHub. Number 7, building projects. Simple project ideas for beginners such as calculator, tic-tac-toe game, or a text-based adventure game. Intermediate and advanced project ideas such as web scraper, chatbot, or a data visualization tool. Walking through of building a specific projects. Remember, this is just a general roadmap. So thanks for watching our videos, and in next video we will